A new club for bird lovers is taking flight at the Duxbury Senior Centre. Beginning on January 7th, Birds of a Feather Birding Club will meet for a variety of avian-related activities, including guided birdwatching outings, educational workshops, and community projects. Focus will center on local species identification, understanding bird behavior, and how birding club members can contribute to conservation efforts. This is a great chance to meet and bond with fellow unwinged beings who share your interest in learning about the feathered friends who enrich our ecosystem. Flock to the Senior Center at 10 a.m. for the first meeting, led by Snowy Owl and Raptor specialist Norman Smith.
If you enjoyed this video by the local scene, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.